Hi guys, today we are looking for water resources. The content which is included introductions, hydrological cycles, uses of water, effect of overutilization of water and benefits of dam. This topic comes under course outcome 2. The knowledge level is understand. The learning outcome will be able to gain knowledge of water resources and its importance. Water is the most plentiful and essential compounds. Nearly the surface is covered with 70 to 80% of water. It is a mixture of inorganic substance. It's like transparent, tasteless, odorless and colorless chemical substance. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Water in three phases such as solid, liquid and gas. Water cycle is also known as hydrological cycle. It describes continuous movement of water on above and below the earth's surfaces. The water into the major reservoir of ice, fresh water, saline water and atmospheric water. It depends on climatic variables. Water moves from one reservoir to another by the physical process of evaporation, precipitation and respiration. Depending upon the sources of water, water are classified into two types, surface and groundwater. Surface water which is coming out directly through precipitations, whereas underground water which is available deep in the ground or due to percolation of surface water. Uses of water are two types, consumptive use and non-consumptive use. For in case of consumptive use, water is completely utilized and it is not reused. Example, all domestic applications, industries and irrigations. Non-consumptive use of water, here the water is not completely utilized and it is reused. Example, hydroelectric power plant. Now we are looking for effect on overutilization of water. This topic is emphasized more usage of water may due to increase in population and industrial growth. Decrease of groundwater are due to usage is more because insufficient rainfall. Ground subsidence is the reasons like more withdrawal of groundwater than the recharge rate. Obviously, the level of water and water table is reduced in ground. In case of coastal area, overexploitation of groundwater would lead to rapid intrusion of salt water from the sea. The major reasons for earthquake, landslide and drying. When the groundwater level near in agriculture land decreases, the water containing nitrogen and nitrate fertilizer percolate into ground and pollute the groundwater. Dams are built across the river in order to share water for irrigations, hydroelectric power generations, and flood control. Most of the dams are built to serve for more than one purpose is called multipurpose dams. These dams are called as Temple of Modern India was a term it is invented by India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru while starting the construction of Bakranangal dams. Problem like upstream for constructing dams, displacement of tribal people, the moving from other places, reduces of non-forest land and loss of flora and fauna. It always happens landslide and sedimentations, navigation and agriculture activities developed in the dam area. Downstream problem like waterlogging and salinities are due to over irrigations, whereas saltwater intrusions at river mouth, it reduced water flow and sediments carrying nutrients get deposited in the reservoir, whereas fertility of the land along the river gets reduced. In this lecture, students were able to understand the importance of water resources. Thanks.